How to change someone's name on TikTok. Nickname. iPhone and Android? In this video, I'll show you how to customize a friend's nickname in just a few simple steps. First, open the TikTok app on your iPhone. Next, go to the profile of the person whose name you want to change. Keep in mind that this feature is only available for people you follow or are connected with, depending on your account and the latest TikTok version. Once you're on their profile, tap the Profile Settings or More icon in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, look for Customize Name or Edit Nickname and tap it. Now, enter the new name or nickname you'd like to use for that person. After you're finished, tap Save. The nickname will be updated immediately. Remember, this customized name is only visible to you. It won't change the person's actual TikTok username or display name, and no one else will see the nickname you've assigned. That's it! You've successfully changed someone's name on TikTok. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick TikTok tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.